Okay guys, here's the swarm. They've been there for 2 days. And right over here is the hollowed out tree that they either came from or it's another swarm, because there's still bees coming in and out of here, of the hollowed out tree. Okay. Now I just found another swarm. It's either another swarm or that one split right here on this bush. There's another swarm in there. Look at that. A whole swarm of bees. And right across this field, if you can see, is my top bar hive. I'm hoping they'll move over here. Let me get over here. I'll show you. Oh, that's, what would you say, 50 yards away? And here's my top bar hive. I'm hoping they'll go in there. I've got lemongrass oil, a few drops, you know, by the entrances. I put a little beeswax, melted beeswax inside there. I think I just saw a bee. Yeah, looks like there's bees moving in, guys. Check it out. There's a fly. On that left hole, I just saw a bee go in. There he is. There's a bee checking it out. Good deal, guys. I think they're moving this way. Okay, I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.